Okay, welcome grade ones to our maths lesson. Our maths lesson today is on the weather. The weather, it means the condition of the atmosphere. How is it like outside there? Kalwande, can you tell me what it is like outside? You're just from outside. How is it like outside?
It's cold.
It is cold today. Ooh, that is why you are putting on a jacket. I'm putting on a polo neck and a jacket because it is cold, isn't it?
Cold.
Do you like the cold weather?
Yes.
Do you like the cold weather?
No.
You don't like the cold weather?
No.
Oh, why don't you like the cold weather? Why don't you like the cold weather, Alwande? Why?
Some people, they're going to have flu.
Yes, during this time, that's when people have flu and you have to blow your nose. And you know what happens during this time when it's cold? If you have got flu, what should you do? What do you use to blow your nose?
Coronavirus.
Excellent. It is one of the signs of coronavirus. So when you have flu, you need to be checked whether you have the virus. Isn't it very clever of you? So we need to avoid that and keep warm. How do you keep yourself warm besides wearing a jacket and warm clothes? What else do you do?
Blankets, they make you warm.
Blankets make you warm. How many blankets do you put on your bed? How many do you have? You're trying to count. There are many of them, I know.
Four.
Blankets. Luande, that's too much. Too many blankets. 4 blankets for one person, and others don't even have one. They need to share those blankets with others. Very good. So you need more blankets. What else can you do to keep yourself warm during this cold season? Besides many blankets, warm clothes, others, what do they do? During the day, you can't move around with blankets. How do you keep yourself warm? How do you do that? You can make a, other people make a Alwande, people make fire, isn't it? To keep themselves warm, yes. Others can even use the heater to make themselves warm. Heater will warm up the whole room and you can feel warm. Do you have a heater at home? Do you have a heater? Alwande, do you have a heater at home? Alwande, I think you can. Oh no, you use the word no. All right, you don't have a heater, but you've seen one. Have you ever seen a heater? What it looks like? Which has got iron bars, which have become red when you light them, when you light your heater. All right, all those are gadgets to make us feel warm. So we must make sure that we keep ourselves warm during this cold season. All right, this month, what is the name of this month? What is the name of the month in which we are?
June.
Yes, June. That person who is telling you answers should not, because you know your answers very well. So we are in the month of June, and June is a cold month. It is in the cold season. It is in the cold season. So when we talk about the weather, it also encompasses the seasons. You remember the 4 seasons? You remember them, Alwande?
Yes.
Which ones are they? Name them. Name the seasons. Summer. Let's go.
Summer.
Yes. Which is the other one?
Autumn.
Autumn. Then winter.
Winter.
And
spring.
And spring. Spring. All right. Summer, autumn, winter, and spring. We've just been talking about the cold season, and we say the month of June is also part of the cold season. So when it's cold, we need warm clothes. We need more blankets on our beds to keep us warm during the night. And also we can make a fire to keep ourselves warm, or you can use an electric heater to keep yourself warm so that we don't get diseases like the flu, which is usually very common during the cold season. Very good. So that is part of the weather which you're talking about. We talked about being cold, isn't it? Can you write the word weather? Weather. Write it down. Weather. Weather. W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Weather. All right. You finished writing that word. It's not a very long word. W-E-A-T-H-E-R. Weather. And one day, are we still together? Good. All right. So the weather changes from time to time, isn't it? It's not always cold. If you look outside, what do you see outside? What do you see?
Sun.
Very good. So
I can see sun.
very good. You can see the sun. What type of weather does the sun bring? What type of weather do we associate with the sun? When it is very sunny, what type of weather do we have? What type of weather?
Warm.
Warm weather, very good. It becomes
warm.
Hot. Yes, and feel very warm, then it is hot. It is hot. All right. Do you like the hot weather?
Hot.
Do you like the hot weather? Alwande?
Yes.
Yes. Why do you like the hot
yes.
weather? Why do you like the hot weather?
Because the hot weather should not do you flu.
You won't have flu. Very good. Mercy.
You don't have flu.
Very good. And also you don't need a lot of clothes like we are wearing at the moment, isn't it? You can wear your nice sundress, you can wear your shorts, your cool clothes, and you can go out and play with your friends without getting any cold or any flu, isn't it? Yes. Children and even adults like the hot weather. What else do you like about the hot weather? What type of drinks do you drink when it's hot? Do you drink hot drink or cold drink? What type of drinks do you like?
Cocoa.
Hey, Coca-Cola. You like Coca-Cola? All right. We like cool drinks. We like cold drinks. Take the drinks from the beach, isn't it? Very good. We like that. And you can even eat what? What's that nice thing you like to say? What is it? Which food do you usually like? Ice cream. Do you like ice cream? And one day, do you like ice cream?
Yes, and pizzas.
You also like pizza. All right. So you can eat anything which you like during the hot season, and you can play outside as much as you like. Very good. So that's the hot season. Which season? Hot weather. Which season do we associate with the hot season? We said winter, usually cold season. Ooh, winter. What about the hot season? Usually is summer. It's what? Summer. Okay, so
summer.
Very good. And even at school,
Winter.
in your summer uniform.
Summer, winter.
All right, very good. All right, so that's the hot season which we like very much. All right, okay. So I've talked about the hot season which we associate with summer. Can you write the word hot? Hot. Hot. H-O-T. Very easy word. Hot. All right. Then we said that is when you can eat your ice cream, drink your cold juices and enjoy them. And you can play outside with your friends wearing your summer clothes, isn't it? Very cool. And then, now let's go on to another type of weather. Name it. We haven't mentioned. Sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's hot. Sometimes it's
rain.
very good.
Sometimes it's rain.
Sometimes it rains. The rainy season. Do you like the rainy season? Alwande, do you like?
No,
Why don't you like the rainy season? Why? Tell me the reason.
because they make our clothes wet.
Ah, good. The rainy season.
Because they make
Our clothes become wet.
our clothes wet.
Yes, the rain makes things wet, whether they are clothes or vegetation, everything will be wet. I like the wet weather. Why? I like the rainy season.
And they give us water. Rain gives us water.
Very good. Now Bulawayo is short of water. We have a water problem because there's not, the rain didn't rain as much as we need so that we can all have a good supply of water. So sometimes you open the tap, there is no water coming out, isn't it? Sometimes you spend days, even a week without water,
Yes.
which is not good. We need water. It is a basic need. So the rain will provide us with water. And then we can also water our crops, isn't it? You find that the grass is green, the trees are happy, they bear fruits, and we are happy in summer. Also when the rain comes, it is hot, but also we get the rain. So I love the rainy season. I love the rainy season. It will bring us water, which we need very much. Okay, even if it makes us wet. How can we prevent ourselves from getting wet? What can you do to prevent yourself from getting wet, Alwande? What can you do? You can?
We bath.
Huh? Put an umbrella over your head there. So if you have an umbrella, you won't get wet, isn't it? Or you can wear what can you wear?
Yes.
What can you wear during the rainy season when it's raining?
Raincoat. A raincoat.
Very good.
A raincoat.
You can wear a raincoat and then you won't get wet. All right, you're afraid of getting
And boots.
And boots.
And boots.
What type of boots?
And boots.
Yes, the gum boots, isn't it? Plastic boots, and then you won't get wet, so you can enjoy the rain without getting soaked and getting sick. But mind, make sure that you are really dry. Otherwise, if you play in the rain without a raincoat, without an umbrella, without those plastic boots, you may get sick. All right, very good. So that's the rainy weather. Very good. Can you write the word rain? Rain, rain, R-A-I-N, rain. We love the rain. Even sing Zulu Zulu Uya, Sidama Komane. And all right, good. So that's the rainy season. Now let's go to our next one. We've discussed the hot weather, cold weather, rainy weather. Now, when you see the trees moving from side to side, trees moving from side to side, what will be happening? Grass being blown. Sometimes you can see papers, litter moving all over. What's that? What type of season?
Winter.
We're talking about winter. Winter is when it is cold.
Winter.
Windy. All right, you got the first part right there. It will be windy. Okay? You cannot see the wind when you look outside, but you can see the action of the trees. They are moving from side to side. We always sing, because the trees are moving from side to side. It shows that it is windy. All right? Have you ever experienced that type of weather when it's windy? Have you, Alwande? Have you seen the trees moving from side to side?
Yes.
Yes. And then most of the time when it's windy,
Yes.
it becomes cold, isn't it? Yes. Do you like that type of weather, or the windy weather?
Yes.
Why do you like it? Why do you like windy weather?
No.
You don't like it? All right. Have you ever seen a kite?
Yes.
You've seen a kite?
Yes.
Yes.
We always make kites.
You make kites. Good. You're going to make a kite for me then. You know how to make a kite. And then you can play with your kites. It's fun if you play with kites during the...
If there's winter.
When it's windy, all right?
If there's winter.
Windy, all right? When it is windy, that is when you can play with your kites. Can you write that word? Windy, all right? Don't confuse that with winter. Winter is when it is cold, but windy. When it's windy, then you can play with your kites. Your kites will fly up in the air. Kites, when it's windy, it becomes a lot of fun. But you need to be very careful that your kites don't get tangled up in the electricity poles, all right? Play away from the electricity poles when you are playing with your kites. All right, very good. So these are the different types of weather, all right? We'll learn more about the windy weather, how it also helps in how plants develop, okay? All right, so now let's go back again and look at them. We talked about the hot weather, the cold weather, rainy weather, and the windy weather. But sometimes there's a combination of these different weathers, isn't it? Like these days in the morning, it's very cold.
Yes.
And then in the afternoon, it's sunny and hot, isn't it? Yes. And sometimes when it is hot, and then you find that there are dark clouds in the sky. Have you seen the dark clouds in the sky? Have you ever seen the dark clouds?
Yes.
And when there are dark clouds, we know that rain is going to come. So sometimes it's partly cloudy, raining, it's sunny. It's just a mixture of all those different types of weather. But over time, then we make the seasons. And what?
And at the evening. At the evening.
In the evening.
If they come stars.
Okay, in the evening you can see stars.
If they stars, the black clouds come, and then there is going to be not have stars.
All right, when the clouds come, they cover the stars. Very good. You are very observant at night. Good. Okay. So when it's not cloudy, then you are able to see the stars. When it's clear, you can see many stars in the sky at night. Very good. And if it's in the afternoon, then it will be sunny if there are no stars. Very good. Very good. I've got symbols here, which I want us to look at. Okay? Which shows us the different types of weather. Look at my book here. When we see that, that is a sign for what? That one.
It's a sun.
It's a sun. You see a smiling sun there, huh? With eyes and everything.
Yes.
That's the sun. Good. And then this one, it shows the clouds, isn't it? They are what? Clouds. Can you see that? Yes. So when there is a cloud in the sun, it means sometimes it will be clouds, sometimes there is the sun. All right? And what do you think that one means? What
the sun will be gone.
Okay, the sun is
rain.
Very good.
It's the rain.
There is the rain. Very good. If there's nothing just like that, it means it's cloudy. Say cloudy. Say
cloudy.
Very good. They're just clouds. There's no sun there. So sometimes though, it's also, sometimes, what do you think that one stands for? Have you ever seen lightning? Have you seen lightning?
Yes.
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 Thunder and then lightning. So that is a sign of that there will be a thunderstorm. It means plenty of rain is coming. And then you hide under your bed. Do you hide under your bed when there is thunder and lightning?
No.
We are not afraid of thunder like others. Clever girl. All right. And then windy. I've got that sign there of windy. It shows that it is windy. And what is that? What's that?
Umbrella.
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 Very good. You use an umbrella when it is hot and when it is raining, isn't it? It can protect us from the sun. It can also protect us from the rain. Very good. Now, I've got a weather. Someone decided, Alwande, that I'm going to draw a symbol for each day. So it means that on a Sunday it was
Sun.
sunny.
Sun.
Sunny. Let's count how many days it got sun there. That is, was in the month of February. Now we are in June. So let's see how many sunny days there were in February. Let's count one. Let's start from there.
1,
Mm-hmm.
1,
Mm-hmm.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11, very good. Which means in that month there were 11 sunny days. There were 11 sunny days. And then on other days it was raining. You see the rainy days, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rainy days. So February is got sunny days and it has got rainy days. All right. Okay. Very good. So I want you also to make your own weather chart. Today, if it's cold, then you indicate that it's cold. If it is sunny, then you record that it is sunny. When clouds come out, you also record that there are clouds which came. All right, Alwande? Are we still together?
Yes.
Very good. Clever care. Okay. All right. And then lastly, just to conclude, what are the things using the words hot, cold, or rain? In when do I drink cold drinks? When it is? I love cold drinks when it is?
When it is sunny.
When it is sunny.
Sunny.
Not very good. What about when do I wear warm clothes? When do I need warm clothes?
When it's cold.
When it is cold, very good. When do I need an umbrella and a raincoat? An umbrella and a raincoat?
Because it's raining.
When it
Because
is
it's raining.
Excellent. When do I love playing with my kite? When do I love playing with when it is windy. When it is windy. All right.
Windy.
Very good. There is a kite there. You see that? Ah, where is that one?
Yes.
Right there. All right. Okay. And I want you to make a kite for me. Tomorrow when we meet, I want you to show me a kite. You draw a kite or you make one. You said you are able to make one. All right. It was a pleasure having you, Alwande. Thank you very much for today. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye, Alwande.
Bye.
Bye, my dear. See you tomorrow.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.